this video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube videos with the screen off in Android and iPhone. Sometimes we may want to listen to music or anything else on YouTube while walking or putting the phone in the pocket. But while using YouTube, you can't turn off your screen. Otherwise, your video will stop playing. But if we leave the phone screen on, it doesn't stay on the same page because of the touch in the pocket. But I have a handy little app that can help you with this problem. Go to the App Store or Play Store on your phone. Go to the search option. Now search for Black Screen. This is the app we're looking for. From here, click on Install. Wait for the installation process to finish. After installing, click on Open. Now click on Start. After you click on Start, the app will ask for some permission. Click on Give Permission. From here, give the permission for this app. Now let's go back to the app. If I click on Start again, it will ask for another permission, but don't worry, these permissions will cause you no harm. After allowing permission, you can see a little button floating on the screen. Now let's open YouTube. Play a video and press on the floating button. You can see that the screen becomes black, but the music is still playing in the background. If you want to go back to YouTube, tap anywhere on the screen. This will reveal an unlock button. Click on it to go back. Let's go to the Black Screen app. Here you can customize the clock style, and button size. If you want to turn off the floating button, click on Stop. Using this app, you can use anything you like in the background in both Android and iPhone.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.